Hi, Grandma Bev here. Do you like receiving boxes that you don't know what's in them? I do. Stay tuned and watch what I got in the new Lug Summer Box. Hi guys, Grandma Bev with Life with Grandma Bev. And I'm excited because I love this product, which is Lug. And you can see I've got a Lug purse there, so a Lug purse there, which this one's on for sale right now on my eBay site. Not this one, but that one. Anyway, look what came today. Big box too. It's the LugLifeBox Summer Edition. And actually, this is Sunday, and it came UPS today. So, okay, kudos UPS for delivering on Sundays now. You know, if you're behind in your shipping and stuff, folks, use UPS because they now do it Sundays. So let's see. Let's slice this. Lug made such good products that I always like to take a chance. Now this box is $149, but they're all regular merchandise. You're not getting samples or things like that. You know, small size versions. Oh, I see one pattern in here for something that they've been advertising on QVC, you know, for sale lug. And I just don't want to buy another item, you know, I better not, but I like that one pattern. Looks like I got one. Okay, let's see. It says, it's a pretty card. Happy unboxing. See reverse for something just for you. Oh, it's all these coupons. Well, $50 off when you spend $100 or more. There's a $25 off when you spend $50 or more, and a $25 off when you spend $50 or more. So several. So if anybody's interested in going online and buying anything, let me know and I'll give you these codes. Where do I start? Kind of feel a sneeze coming on. Don't sneeze now. Beautiful day again today. Supposed to, you know, get up around 100. Okay. First item is a scoop, what they call Scoop 2 Blush Pink. Open it carefully in case I decide to sell it. Oops. Now this is one of their solid color ones. What's it have on here? Anything? Just a regular scoop. It's RFID, so it's great for traveling. It's a crossbody. I've got a picture on here, but it's better to show you. Okay, let's see. First off, on the outside, you've got a zipper pouch. See, they always have really nice, colorful insides, so you can see your stuff in there. If it's a real black or dark navy, you can't see your stuff. And that's the one outside. Now this side, they always line, there's always a spot to put your cell phone, so it's the very soft felt-like material. And then here's one set of zippers. Look at this. Is this the inside? I don't know. But it's got a pouch area back here. It's got all these areas to put credit cards, so you don't have to carry a wallet. It's got a center zippered pouch. And over here are two areas you can put things in that have, you know, kind of stretchy to hold them in. Let's see, it's got a 2-year extended warranty. You can register. And of course, a thank you from them. So, oh, and of course, it's got a handle if you want to carry it this way. And, oh, I can open the last part. cards. Okay, here's the handle, or cross strap. And inside this section, which I'm thinking, yeah, that's the main section. It's got 2 more of these little scoop sides, with the little stretchy things over them. And a zipper one over on the side that's see-through. Looks like it's about 2 inches thick across the bottom. So you can either use it with the handle or, oh, this isn't the kind you can put around your waist if you want. But what do you think, kids? Pretty nice. And I don't know if I'm gonna sell this on eBay. If I do decide to, it will be up on my site within the next week. Okay, and the one I saw that I'm excited about, oh yes. I've got so many purses for my travel. But this one's just so perfect for it. Look at this. Not perfect for like going on a cruise. So this one is called, it's the Chewy Nautical. Anything in here? It says anything about it? Oh, it's a lunch bag. Oh, well, maybe I won't be keeping it. No, just because they say it's a lunch bag doesn't mean you have to keep it. Oh, I see. It opens up like that. I wondered what this part here was. So this just looks like it has, well, it has it right now. These handles. Nothing on that side. There's a zipper on this side. Now you could put your cell phone or things in their keys that you don't want to get lost if you're out there having your lunch. And inside, ooh, oh, it does have a crossbody strap. Look at inside. And then it's got a few little items in. This is to help keep everything cool or hot, whatever you put in there. So what is it? It's about, gosh, what do you think? 6, 7, 8 inches wide across the bottom. Of course, so when you set it down, it's not going to get dirty. It's quilted on this part. I like it. I wonder if I should keep it. If I don't, it will be on my site on eBay, which I always have a link down below. Next we have, oh, this one will definitely be going on to eBay because I don't wear hats often. And this is a hat. Oops. Pretty. Does that match? That matches that purse, doesn't it? Looks to me like it does. So this is a topper they call it a topper, in Bloom Black. And it's got, it's adjustable on the back. Pretty, pretty. I don't want to put it on because I'm probably going to list it for sale on eBay. So far, so good. Ooh. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is a huge beach towel. Look at this. Hard to open it all up for you. So I've got a velour side, which it is soft as velour, and then a terry side. So the velour side is 100% poly. The terry side is 100% cotton, made in. I don't use beach towels very often, but I'm going to keep this. This is going to go in the motor home, and I'm going to wash it first, of course. And we have, oh, a Turfus glass. We know I use these like crazy. These, I mean, look, you know, my Dollar Tree one. Those are the ones I use the most. But this is, it's the original. It says, lifetime guarantee, keeps drinks cold, keeps drinks hot. Dishwasher, oh, dishwasher safe. Hey, Bob won't have to wash these by hand. Microwave safe and earth friendly. It's heavy duty. Oh, good size. I like the size. Looks like you, little thing to close it. Look at the pattern. Can you see the pattern very well? Oh, I wish there was a better way to show you this. Can I hold it up against? Maybe this will help. But you can see it's all different seashells, and let's see what it looks like inside. Yeah, very well insulated. And these are from Florida. It's a double wall insulation. This I'm keeping. Then we have, oh, it's a beach ball, I guess. I thought it was like a little pouch you put around your waist, you know, a fanny pack. This is a beach ball, which I won't be keeping. Not gonna blow it up. So I'll put this in. Look at what's got on there. Hey, Jean from Jean's Junk. Do you want it? Otherwise, I'll put it in a giveaway. These what I hope they are. Peekaboo and Flamingo Blue. Not exactly what I thought it was. I thought it was packing cubes, but it's a see-through. Hi. In this pattern. Well, it matches the ball and the towel. So this is called a tote. It's in the Flamingo Blue pattern. And let's see. Pretty good size handles. It's, it doesn't zip closed, but it's got like magnets that really clip it tight. It's all plastic or whatever you want to call it, all around it. I don't know if I would use this or not. It's made in China. The body and trim are 30% poly plus 70% PVC. Lining 100% poly. I don't know. I gotta think about this. I'm getting so many of these things because they're nice bags to put YouTube stuff in when I'm moving from here to there. So there's that. Now I saved the last thing for last, and I'm hoping that's the t-shirt. Oh, it's not a V-neck. I was hoping it'd be a V-neck this time. very lightweight. What'd you think? It's got the, the sleeves that are more like cap sleeves that just go down. They don't have the seam. It says smile and shine, and you can see it's the gray. This is an extra large. I requested bigger ones because theirs tend to run small. Let's see anything. Our happy tee was designed to offer a daily dose of happiness with a great fit and feel. Our feminine flattering cut is paired with a soft fabrication and washes beautifully. So it's a happy tee. I think I like her color on there better. But I do like it. So I'm going to definitely keep the t-shirt, the mug. Let's see, put them on the t-shirt, the mug, the huge beach blanket, or not blanket, beach towel. And maybe this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 items. And I'm probably going to sell this one. And the hat. And this would be giveaway. So that's not bad. Keeping more than I'm selling. So what you think? I'm happy. I love lug. I'm a lug nut, you could say. Oh, wait, forgot about this. So there were 8 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items for 149. So what's 8? Divide 8 into that. I'm not good with thinking about it in my head. Bob's my human calculator, so I just stopped thinking about that stuff. Anyway, like I said, I'm happy. Comments below, share, like, subscribe, and again, I've got 2 giveaways going on right now. So I hope you're all having a good day, and I hope you like this video. Hope you're having a good week. It's a hot week here. Unusual for Seattle. Supposed to be between 110 and 113 tomorrow or Monday. I don't know when this is going to air. This isn't going to air today, but, you know, it's hot here. Let's put it that way. I love you all. Bye.